Property management is easy, said no one, ever.
It's not working properly.
You just need to chase late rent payments, handle tenant issues and messages, coordinate maintenance work, and so much more to run your business from A to Z. What if there was a smarter way? Introducing DoorLoop AI Assistant. Instant answers. Simpler workdays. Stronger focus. Complete tasks without your involvement. Tenant communication faster than ever. With less busy work and admin, you'll have plenty of time for growing your portfolio. No learning curve, no setup. It's there when you want it and when you need it. Talk to it.
Hey, give me a status report on open maintenance issues.
Type to it. Just breathe with it. With DoorLoop AI Assistant, property management just got a whole lot easier. That's right, we said it.